In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. This is a straightforward process, but taking it step by step ensures that everything goes smoothly and your invoices are clear and precise. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have HubSpot open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Having access is essential, as it gives you the capabilities and tools necessary for this process. Once you're logged in, your next move should be to navigate to the trial guide. This is an incredibly useful resource, as it contains all the information and tools you need to start building your form efficiently. Think of it as your hub for getting everything organized before jumping into the invoice creation. Now, once you're on your homepage, look for the Commerce section. Clicking on it will give you a list of options related to sales management and transactions. From there, you'll want to select Invoices. This section of HubSpot is where the magic happens when it comes to handling transactions and billing. With the Invoices section open, you'll see an option to create a new invoice, so go ahead and click Create. At this point, you'll need to choose the kind of invoice you want to set up, which in this case is a Create One-Time Invoice. This option is perfect for specific, non-recurring transactions. Now comes the part where you personalize your invoice by adding the contact. When you hit Add Contact, you'll have a list of existing contacts to choose from. Select the correct contact for the invoice, and here's an important tip. Don't forget to hit Save after this step. Saving ensures that you won't lose any of the information you've just inputted. Next, you'll need to add a line item, which essentially means detailing the products or services you're billing for. Click Add Line Item, and make sure you input all necessary details, like the product name, quantity, and price. This information is what defines the invoice, making it clear for the recipient what they are being charged for. Once you've finished inputting these details, again, make sure you save this line item. After setting up these components, take a moment to review everything. Double-check all the information to ensure it's correct. Look at the contact, the line items, and any additional details. This review is crucial as it helps you catch errors before the invoice gets sent out. Finally, once you're confident that everything is in order and meets your expectations, the last step is to click Create. Doing so finalizes the invoice and gets it ready for distribution. And there you have it, a complete invoice ready to go in HubSpot. Following these steps ensures that your billing is both efficient and accurate, making your transaction processes much smoother. Happy invoicing!